This is a tutorial on communicating weekly logistics to families of your team members. This is an area where athletic departments traditionally do not do a good job. And really, this is an area that we as an athletic department want to knock out of the park. And so we're going to change some of our methodology in terms of how we get logistics communicated to families. So what we're going to do here is we're actually creating a Google Doc for each of you that is a weekly logistics template. And on this logistics template, it's just got blanks that you need to fill in. It's got a greeting to your families, and then it's got information for the first playing date of the week. If you're like me, our football team only has one playing date per week, and so we only have one, but a lot of sports have two, and so you've got blanks for two there if you need it. And so what you're going to do is on the week before these events happen, you're going to go in and you're going to establish all this information. All right, so instead of typing this into the rank one message like we would have in the past, we just go in here and we just update this. All right, and so we're going to type in game date right there, September 22nd, 2022. Okay. Game time, 7:30 p.m. Game location, Wheatley Heights Sports Complex. And then also type in the address right here, 200 Noblewood Drive. All right, really the address is more important than the name of the place. All right, if it's an away game, you needed to know the address, have the address for that one. You can find that address in rank one. All right, release time. This is something that we establish, and we send this out to you each week. So you'll have that on that document that comes out. That's the time that they get out of class, and then the departure time. So we'll say 3:45. Departure time is 4. Meeting location. That means where are they going to meet? Once we release them, meet in the gym foyer. Transportation method, bus. The other, method would be carpooling if we have too many to take on a bus. Eating situation. Box lunch provided before, and then fast food after. How much money to bring? Well, if they are going to have that much, then probably about $20, right? Other items to bring. Blue socks. Additional information. Anything else that you want for them to know. Now, these are the pieces of information that we are always getting questions about. All right, so a lot of these things we can do, and we have that information, but some of them, you would want to be able to tell them, and so here's how we're going to do this. Okay, we need you to be able to come in and fill this out as coaches so that they have this available, because it's going to be made accessible to families on our website or on our TWICA page that goes out each weekend. That has all the information for the coming week on it. But we need you to come in here and put in your preferences. Now, here's the deal. You can do it or we can do it, but if you have to do it, then you don't get any choice over the other stuff. Okay? So the things that are your choice, then we're going to put that in, but we need it not to change. Okay? So for instance, if you want them to wear black socks, but we've already put in blue socks, then we're going with blue socks, okay? If you wanted to do something different in terms of what the eating situation is going to be, then we're going with what the eating situation is that we've put in there. And if we're going to put it in, then it's going to be whatever is the path of least resistance for us as a department, and so that will be, likely bring a sack lunch for the ride there, fast food on the way back. We would tell you in terms of that whole eating thing too, if it's a school night, we don't sit down and eat. We if we need to provide a way for them to eat at the end of the night, then we just go in and grab something fast and head on down the road. So anyway, so that is our varsity, or not just varsity, but our weekly logistics pages for each team. You will have this. It will automatically upload into our TWICA page, which goes out to everyone on a weekly basis. And so that's how you do it.